Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a review on the glitter roller perfume set. So I got this product from Five Below and they have it in the craft section. Inside it comes with instructions. It comes with a fragrance dropper, pipette. It also comes with 3 glitter packs, a silver glitter, blue glitter, and purple glitter. It comes with 3 of the roller perfume containers, 1 perfume base bottle, and stickers. Okay, so let's get started. First, the instruction says to remove the cap of one of the roller perfumes. Next, it says to use the pipette and to fill the bottle to the top with the perfume base. That's perfect. The instruction says to take the fragrance dropper and put in 5 to 8 drops. Once you're done, add some glitter if you want to make your perfume sparkle. Sadly, this set doesn't come with a funnel to put it in, so I just made a funnel out of paper. Lastly, we're gonna put on some stickers that they gave us. They gave us 1 sheet of stickers. They have a large variety. This is the sticker sheet. Overall, this complete set was really cool and amazing. There's not too much to it. All you have to do is just add the perfume base and the citrus. Disappointed that it only comes with 1 fragrance instead of like multiple ones, so you can like mix it up and have different fragrances for each perfume bottle. This is a very good set, and I hope you enjoyed my video. Make sure to subscribe and click that like button. Thank you for watching my video.